Hey guys, welcome back to another hiking adventure. Today, I'm at Capitol Reef National Park in Utah. Capitol Reef is the most underrated national park in the state, and it doesn't lack anything. It's a great park. I came here 2 years ago. I loved it, and I'm so glad to be back. And right this very second, I am doing the Chimney Rock Trail, which Chimney Rock is right directly behind me. And this is 3.6 miles, 590 feet of elevation gain. It is labeled as strenuous, even though 590 does not sound strenuous, but I'll let you know. Maybe it's just, steep in the beginning or something. All right, so let's go check it out. All right, so like I mentioned, I was here 2 years ago, and I have videos from when I was here the last time. I got about 5 of them on playlist, so let me just stick that up in a link. So the trail does start off with some really good elevation gain in the beginning, but the views just open up right away. As you can see, it's beautiful up here. So I reached a split in the trail. I'm doing the Chimney Rock Trail. I got 3 more miles left. Look at that, Chimney Rock. Pretty awesome. Now that is one impressive rock monolith. Looks like I topped out on this trail. I'm at the very top. No more climbing. This is a loop, so it will look totally different on the way back down, which is cool. So I definitely wouldn't say this is an easy hike. It's definitely not a strenuous hike either. I would say it's a moderate. You will, have to catch your breath from time to time, but definitely not a strenuous hike. Now, if you're much newer to hiking, this will definitely feel like a very strenuous hike to you. Now, if you're looking to do the most strenuous hike here at the park, I would highly recommend the Navajo Knobs Trail. Super hard, it kicked my butt. The trail was gorgeous. I loved it, but it was hard as hell. Looks like the trail's about to head down. The views up here are so incredible. This is gorgeous. This is the most underrated national park in Utah. It's hard to believe. All right, guys, I pretty much made it back to the end of the hike. This was an awesome trail. I totally loved it, especially the fact that the sun is going down right now and Capitol Reef just lights up into a whole nother different place. You guys, I want to thank you so much for joining me on another adventure today. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done so already. I would totally love to bring you with me on future hiking adventures, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks.